minasan, konnichiwa. Welcome to our channel by Bhasha. This is Bhargav.
This is Shalmali.
Today we'll be making Indian style pasta recipe. So Indians love pasta and there are many versions of Indian style pasta.
We are sharing with you our version of this dish. So keep your spice box ready and get ready for this fusion.
For more such Indian, international and Japanese recipes, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to hit the
Bell icon.
So without any further delay, let's get started with
Indian style pasta.
To make this pasta, let's crush ginger garlic and chop the onion and vegetables. You can add any vegetables of your choice. Boil the pasta as per package instructions. Add a teaspoon of salt and half tablespoon of oil in the water. Any kind of pasta is okay. We are using about 200 grams of penne. Until the pasta is boiling, let's make the sauce. In a pan, add half tablespoon oil and 8 grams of butter. Once it's hot enough, add 1/4 tablespoon cumin seeds. Let them splutter and mix until they turn aromatic. Now add half tablespoon crushed ginger and garlic. Saute for a few seconds. Add half medium onion and saute till it turns a nice golden brown. Once it's done, add in the spices now. Add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, half tablespoon garam masala, half tablespoon coriander powder and mix thoroughly. Now add half cup tomato puree and mix till the spices homogenize well. Add about a cup of the vegetables. As I said, we are using frozen veggies such as green peas, corn, carrots. Keep mixing till they get coated with the sauce. Cover and cook for a few minutes till the veggies are cooked well. Now add some water and cover and cook for a minute. As we said earlier, there are lots of varieties of Indian style pasta. Pasta is originally not related to Indian cuisine, but Indians have fallen in love with it so much that pasta is now a popular street food. One of them is pink sauce pasta. Comment below if you want us to make that recipe. Add salt as per taste. Add the boiled penne. Let the sauce coat the penne well. Mix gently. And there you have it, spicy and flavorful Indian style pasta. Enjoy!
Hope you enjoyed this video and can try it out sometime.
Please do and share the photos with us on Instagram.
Please like and share this video. And if you want us to make any particular dish, please let us know in the comments below.
Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the instant updates. So see you next time.
Arigatou gozaimashita. Bye bye.